Welcome back to Project Chief. It's day 44, and we are
doing the last two sections of railing that we're ever going to do on this job.
So continue watching if you want to see that, because that's what's going to happen. Wow!
We did it! The railing and this in one take. Thank you for watching us do the install, and thank you for watching us power wash.
That was bonus material because we are so efficient at our job. We gave them a little pre-wash on their deck.
Yep. So go ahead and like this video and leave a comment with just how awesome this is looking right now.
Also, if you want to watch more of us power washing this deck, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell for notifications, because it is going to get washed on that side.
I know, it's going to be real exciting, guys. Hold on, stay tuned, and be nice to a stranger by holding the door open for him.
And John did some bee swatting.
Bee swatting, that was Larry. Don't worry about Larry.
Larry is a little frustrated with us right now. And you know what they say about flies? Oh, you know what they say about flies?
I don't know what they say about flies, Andy.
You really don't?
No.
You know what they say about flies?
If yours is down, zip it up.
That's it.
Is that really it?
Remember, because your fly was down recently, and like a whole video